Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2021 Alpha Wolf 26RL-L travel trailer. This is a 2 slide-out rear living room couples coach. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside and then back to the outside of this new RV. Alright guys, we're now up inside this new Cherokee Alpha Wolf 26RL-L travel trailer. We're going to start looking here in the rear of the coach. Again, rear living room model. So you have the sofa across the back, which does flip out into a good sized bed there for some people to sleep on. There's a little end table on the left, which does have some storage underneath of it right there. And then you also see the USB charger ports and electric outlet. There's one of each of those on each side of the sofa. Some overhead cabinetry up above as well for extra storage space. They do little blue LED accent lighting in different places around the camper. So you have some above these slide outs, back in behind the TV area where the TV would go, a little bit around the island area, and also around the theater seat section as well. Now this theater seat does recline back, has heat and massage both built in, along with lighted little cup holders and the LED blue strips at the bottom. There's also some cup holders in the middle and some storage there as well. You have nice big windows overlooking your campsite area as well. Freestanding table with 4 chairs, and there's storage underneath those chairs. It's not super deep, it's probably an 1.5 inches deep or so, but it does give you a little spot to stash some stuff. They have these pretty cool blinds, that roller blinds there, and basically you can kind of partially block out some light or black them out, either one. A little bit of carpet on the slide out here for the dinette / sofa area, but then your main actual subfloor is pretty much all vinyl throughout, along with the kitchen slide as well. You have the electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy space heater, but pretty cool little feature. TV area right here. Now, the TV is technically an option in this brand of camper. A lot of people don't actually buy it. They would rather get their own smart TV or something along those lines. So a lot of the customers, including this one, ordered it without. That way he could get his own TV. Does have a little mount there. But back in behind here, you have little blue accent lighting, but you have a ton of storage. So I would really probably recommend actually taking that mount off, maybe use that in a bedroom or something. Get you a decent sized swing arm mount right there so you could actually get to that storage back there a lot more functional. A little shelf down below here also has the TV antenna area for the power booster button, the cable and satellite inlet, electric outlet down there, USB charger port down there, and your Furrion little stereo system there as well. And then the little blue switch turns off those blue lights, by the way. Now over here we have a nice sized pantry that you're seeing pop up there, which is lit as well. There's the glass front oven with the 3-burner stovetop. This is the Greystone oven that they're currently using, and a Greystone hood range with light and fan built in, along with some overhead storage. They do have an island kitchen area as well, so this basically gives you a couple drawers built in that you're seeing, along with some storage underneath. High-rise spring faucet, and a large single bowl kind of farm sink setup there. Now the microwave straight ahead there, the top left of the ceiling up there, with some storage to the right of it. A lot of counter space over there. Again, electric outlet, USB charger ports over there on the wall. They're currently using the 12 volt 10.7 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator that you're seeing pop up there. So pretty good size refrigerator. Works off 12 volt power, and this one was also ordered with the 50 watt solar panel that's on it from the factory, called a juice pack they call it. So that does help charge up your batteries. Your truck driving down the road helps charge up your batteries. So that's a nice feature there to juice everything up and allows your refrigerator to work going up and down the highway without having to worry about any fire burning behind it, without having to worry about any propane being on, because you can literally shut your propane off, not have to again worry about any possible leaks developing traveling around the road. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon so you get notified when I do more videos if you're interested in keeping up with more videos. Some USB charger ports and electric outlet there on the side of the island. Electric box with your breakers and fuses down there. That's your traditional fire extinguisher there. Now up top here is your main little command center, I guess you'd call it. And basically you have your awning in and out button, your 2 slide out controls, some light switches, water pump, water heater on gas. There is a water heater on electric button outside on the water heater. Battery meter, fresh black and gray tank meters all right here. Now again, because this was ordered with the juice pack, it has a little bit fancier battery meter as well. And then it also has the Total One control setup. It's just a nice little LCI feature here. You can do an app on your phone and actually control some of the parts of the camper. Over here on the wall, you have your heat and air conditioning thermostat, and then also some pre-wire for a Wi-Fi hotspot setup. That is kind of a newer feature that they've started doing. You would have to change out the existing antenna system and put on the Wi-Fi system if you wanted, but it is pre-wired for that purpose now. Going in the doorway here to the left, you have your bathroom area. So you have a porcelain foot flush toilet, little radius corner shower, obviously some storage you can see straight ahead there. Nice sized turbo exhaust fan directly above the toilet and to the right or left there of the shower. Skylight in the shower as well. And then you have a pretty good sized cabinet down below the sink, along with a pretty decent medicine cabinet area as well. Now you can enter the bedroom from the bathroom, or you can go through the hallway. So depending on which way you want to go, you can get to it either way. Now the bed is a queen bed, camper queen, so you have some walkway around both sides. The bed does raise up, so there is storage there. Window on the left, and then you also have a place for a small TV here on the left side. Some overhead cabinet storage space there. And then you have your hanging closet on both sides of the bed as well. And the door for privacy is a sliding pocket door kind of set up here to block off the bathroom if you want. Now over here you have a window, again overlooking your campsite area, and more USB charger and electric outlets there. So pretty decent sized bathroom and bedroom area, but the main feature of this is obviously the gigantic living room area with the opposing slides. So this is where you're spending most of your day when it's rainy outside or, you know, nighttime kind of thing. So you have a lot of room in here for comfort. Now we're going to run around the outside and then we're going to close everything up and show you what it looks like closed. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of this new Alpha Wolf 26RL. We're going to start here in the front section on the door side and walk around. Once we're done with that, we're going to close everything up and show you what it looks like closed up. On the front corner here, you have a pre-wire for a side mount portable solar panel. This unit was actually ordered with the roof mount solar panel from the factory as an option. It's a 50-watt solar panel that you can do if you would rather do that. It was also ordered with the optional power jacks instead of the manual jacks. So that's what you're seeing down there. Just push a button, they come down, stabilize everything. The little pet-friendly leash latch right there. The unit comes standard with the More Ride step above steps. They come down, touch the ground, and basically are a little more heavy duty and don't shake the camper as bad when you're running in and out. Power awning, so push button, goes in and out nice and easily. Does have adjustable arms for tilting and water runoff. And they changed up the light on here a little bit differently. So there's actually a light on each arm instead of a strip across the top, which in this case is actually kind of nice because it puts the light out here toward the end of the tube, where the strip would have put it over top of that slide out and would have blocked most of the light anyway. So this setup seems a little bit better for this model. You have a large folding entry handle to help you get in and out of the coach. And then you also will have your model number information right there next to the coach. On the side of the RV here is 2 outdoor speakers with little blue accent lighting there. Cable and satellite hookups right here, along with an electric outlet and a TV mount. So you could take the TV off of the inside living room area and mount it out here if you wanted to on a nice day. Now on the back corner back here, there is, again, power stabilizer jack back here. And you will also notice the LP quick connect there for propane hookup if you want to hook a portable grill or something like that to it. Flip down luggage rack here. It's a nice little bike rack or luggage rack kind of thing if you want to put something on it. Traditional 4-inch squared tube bumper on the rear of the coach, and that's a great place to store a dump hose or something along those lines if you need to. Pre-wired for backup camera or observation camera up there at the top center section there. I would recommend the observation camera by Furrion. That's what it's really kind of wired for, is a Furrion camera. But the observation camera does allow you to use it while driving down the road instead of just backing up. On the back corner here is your power cord hookup. Now this one was ordered with 30 amp service, so that is a 30 amp detachable cord, but you could do 50 amp service if you were to say want to put a second air conditioner on it or something along those lines. Now the unit is also pre-set up for Solaire slide toppers. So it has little brackets in the corners up there where you could put slide toppers on. I would say this slide, trying to put one on the other slide would be really hard to do because that awning is right over top of it, your main awning. So I would recommend maybe a slide topper on this side if you wanted, but probably wouldn't work very well on the other side. A little bit of storage right there. Aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs. Your stove exhaust vent is also right here. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater right here. Your furnace exhaust out right here. And then down below you can see here your gray and black dump handles, some low point water drains, and then over to the left a little bit, just behind the front power jack, is the fresh water tank pull. Outside utility shower right here, hot and cold water. And then you also have your city water hookup, cable inlet, and black tank flush and fresh water inlet as well. Windows are slightly tinted. Spin back around here a little bit, let you look down this side a little better. Now we are going to close everything up and kind of show you what that all looks like as well. First, we're going to pop up some stickers here dry weight stickers, gross weight stickers, tire stickers, carrying capacity stickers, all that type of stuff here popping up on your screen so you can see what that information is. All right, guys, I got everything closed up for you here, so I just wanted to run you around, show you what that looks like. But before we head back inside, I forgot to mention the front section of this RV here. 3/4 fiberglass cap, heavy-duty cap there, really nice feature, an improvement over some of the traditional flat roll front RVs. So definitely like that feature. Little blue LED light strips there in the front. 2 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator system. There's a hard bottle cover as well. You're also seeing the Blue Ox Sway Pro hitch bracket there on the side of the frame. This customer has chose to do the Blue Ox Sway Pro system. That's with the bars and the headpiece and stuff you're seeing laying down there. Really nice upgrade hitch system. Definitely talk with your salesperson about that. Power tongue jack, built-in LED light, manual override. You can see your safety chains with the little clip there. That's kind of nice to hang your chains on. And there's also a clip on the other side for the 7-way plug to go in. 2 5/16 hitch ball. And this customer chose to do 2 batteries. One comes standard from Couch's RV Nation when you buy from them. This customer chose to do a second. Again, that solar panel feature that he ordered on this is a nice feature there that will help juice those batteries up when it's in storage. Slides are closed, as you can see here, so nice, good fit on the slide system, and same exact thing basically over on the other side. But here I wanted to show you, when you walk into the coach, you can get to your bathroom. So you can walk straight into your bathroom, no problem. Go on into the bedroom. Same thing here, go over through the hallway, that kind of thing. So bedroom, bathroom, totally functional at a rest area or something like that. Now, where it differs a little bit here is going to be in the kitchen area here. You can obviously not get to your kitchen from right here. So you have to bump out the slide. And this is kind of a snug fit when it's all closed up. But real simple, push a button. You see the room here on the left going out. You don't have to go all the way out. You can go out, 6 inches, foot, whatever it takes to squeeze by there. Let go of the button, and then you can just kind of go right on in there. So simple to do. Come on in here, get to your refrigerator. No big deal right there. I'm gonna set the camera back down there and open the rooms for you, just so you kind of see how that does look and work when it is going out. You have a button for each slide out room. And again, you can stop anywhere you want on the way out in case there's something in the way, if you just have a limited amount of room. But if it is raining or something like that, when you're actually trying to camp and not just, stop at a rest area, make sure you open them all the way up. Again, guys, thanks for checking out my videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Couch's RV Nation. They will definitely be glad to help you out with all your RV needs. They are one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Toll-free number to them is 888-417-8299, or visit them at couchesrvnation.com.